Just stir with the help of, see, the refreshment. Hello everyone, welcome to Mocktail Plaza. My name is Diptendu Acharya. Today I'll tell you on refreshment mocktail. Mocktail name is Grenadine Lagoon. For Grenadine Lagoon mocktail, you need grenadine syrup, Sprite, lemon cordial or lemon, and soda. This is very simple mocktail. You can try in your home also. Okay, first of all, take a tall glass, and after that you have to, okay, you have to take a tall glass and you have to add some ice cube. Then simply you have to add some lime cordial syrup, and you have to add the grenadine syrup. Then simply you have to fill the glass with soda. This is the refreshment mocktail you can try, and you have to fill the glass with Sprite. Then just stir with the help of, see, the refreshment mocktail Grenadine Lagoon is ready. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel.